Oh no, I've had a lot of back pain. I've had years of back pain. I've had back pain that affected me when I lifted. I've had back pain that affected me when I walked. I had back pain that affected me when I didn't even move. There's really no one thing that had me in pain, and there's no one thing that ever got me away from it. I've used all treatments. I've gone probably to almost every chiropractor in the area. I've done the physical therapy. I've done acupuncture. There's not anything I can think of, and you know, standard regular doctors, pain meds, just about everything short of a medicine doctor at this point. It's funny because when I first got the Lo-Bak TRAX, it looked almost too simple. It looked like, well, there needs to be this or there needs to be that, and it got to connect this to here, and it's not. It's a very rudimentary instrument that, surprisingly, when I got down on the floor with it and I used it for maybe 15 minutes and having had it demonstrated to me, realized how easy it was, that when I did get down on the floor with it and I did use it, it wasn't immediate relief, but it was shortly thereafter, and it lasted a while. If you compare the Lo-Bak TRAX to other devices, I went out for an inversion table, and this was back when they weren't $25.95, they were like $375. So I sunk myself into that, and I actually ended up in more pain from that. And this, again, the Lo-Bak TRAX device, it doesn't involve any room. You don't need a lot of space. All you need is the amount of space that it takes to lie down in, and the simplicity is overwhelming in comparison to the relief that it provides. Absolutely, I would recommend the Lo-Bak TRAX, because while I still believe that not everybody has the same back pain, and therefore not everybody's back pain is going to go away through the same methods, this is a very basic instrument, and it's an inexpensive instrument. So you can't go wrong by using the thing, whereas you can make weeks or months worth of appointments for doctors and have it not work for you. This thing, at the very worst, you're only into it for a few bucks, and at the very most, you'll never need anything else.